What's up, creatives? L up here on set, doing something a little bit different. I was at my station just thinking, sometimes I'm on the plane or waiting, keyword waiting, just whatever the case may be. If I don't know, you guys know how powerful it is to have something to roll with you while on the go, meaning like the mobile situation. I have a laptop that I usually carry with me, which is usually my mobile situation. But see, the problem with that is you can't pull your laptop out every time that you want to create something. Every time something comes to your mind, that's just not possible. So big ups to all of the companies or all of the creative minds who thought it would be an awesome idea to migrate to the mobile situation. Yes, I am able to stay creative and do things that I need to do on my iPad, on my iPhone, and not only on my laptop, right? My point is, I just thought it would be cool that Presonus actually wake up, you know what I mean? I know that y'all are still new kids on the block, but it'd just be dope if you guys will put out something for the music producers. And big ups to the Atom Pad that they put out. I mean, I think they're doing things in a direction that's definitely the right direction, but if we can get something on an iPhone or an iPad, I mean, an iPad is cool. Now, Presonus is not new to the application world, not at all, because they have a couple of apps that you can download and control Studio One and things like that using your iPad. And as long as you are on the same Wi-Fi network as your computer, then you should be straight. But I'm talking about using an app that's excluded from all of that. I want to be able to go and create beats like I am in GarageBand or Reason, or the one I found that is mostly impressive to me is Cubase. I like Cubase. I thought Cubase was super dope because you're able to do like crazy stuff in that DAW. Like it's amazing how powerful it is. Like you can record vocals, make a beat, you can mix in there like on my iPhone. Like, man, this is awesome. You know what I mean? Native Instruments Machine, they have an app, but it's only like a 4-track. I mean, that's great for like creating ideas, like, you know, just to get an idea out and bring it back home. I think that was the whole concept of the app. But I mean, even Native Instruments, I felt like, man, y'all can like totally like bring it up a notch, you know what I mean? iMachine 3 give us more abilities to create more, you know what I mean? Limitations are good. I love limitations, but I mean, 4 tracks, I need more, you know? The Beatmaker presence is only on the iPhone or the iPad, you know, just the mobile situation, right? I'm not really sure if they have a presence on the Android market, but they don't have a desktop like regular DAWs. But now, don't get it twisted. Beatmaker app, I think that thing is dope. I think I've seen a few people who use that solely and able to make some hit records and like win Grammys and things of that nature. I like to make beats on the app, but I'm a Studio One person and I would rather Presonus release the version. Maybe they working on something. I mean, you know, I don't know. Or maybe they looking at this video and say, hey, you know what? We like that guy, that L guy. Yeah, we're gonna put a video, and I hope that's what it is. You know what I mean? I hope they did what I'm saying. And there's a lot of other people who feel this way. I know it is, because the way that this world is going, you know, moving into 2019, we want something to be able to create on our phones and remain creative. You know what I'm saying? That's where it is right now. To be honest, there's not a lot of people that it's a lot of people that still don't have computers and they found apps on their phone to make music, and they, you know, that's where it is right now. All right, those are my thoughts. I just wanted to put that out there. I just man, you know, we need to be mobily creative Presonus. Bring it on. We need to see that. Once again, I'm Ella from ksound.com. Remember, music is art. You the artist. Paint your picture. Stay creative without rules.
Enroll right now and unleash the creativity that lies within. ku.creative.com. Creative University. Stay creative without rules. One more thing. If this voice intrigues you and the music make your soul move, my name is Ella. Thank you. I'm done.